2021. Something to channel. Something to channel.
The G is finally running, yo.
Yeah. Get it.
Look at that, bro. Oh, this is... Oh, this is the best thing we've ever built, bro. I'm telling you right now. Bro. Thank you.
Oh no.
This is so nice. I want to wait till we hit the tunnel here. Yeah! Okay.
I don't know, the battery's weak right now. What's it at right now?
Like 20 psi.
Huh?
20 psi?
Yeah, the battery's weak.
But 20 psi is pretty good.
Is it?
I think it'll start, eh?
Yeah?
It'll start.
Oh yeah. With this running, we'll start.
It'll fucking start. It's cranking, no problem. If I put the fuel in, it'll go.
Yeah. We out here in the cold. No fuel pressure. That's at the turbo, but it should be good. Nothing leaking. First time. Huh? First time, no leak.
Let's go. Let's go. Look at the revs going.
On it. Is it? The surge tank? I mean the oil. Do we plug that?
Got it here, right?
Yeah, it's running. It's gonna have to put the hood on.
Put the bumper on and do the hood after?
Whatever you want, yo.
Or do we put the hood on?
We can put both, doesn't matter. It's just running. Oh, you know what? I wanted you to put it in gear and try to reverse it.
Okay, I can do that again. Fuck it.
Can't get into gear?
Oh my god, I cannot believe I'm driving this right now. finally, guys. It's crazy that the old tune is still working fine for now.
Yeah.
I gotta keep an eye on the AFRs and shit, but we get gas, bro. This thing is dead empty right now. I don't even know like at what point it can cut out. Then again, my gauge has been sus since day one.